It is the end of an era in the studio. We're packing it up today. I'm gonna say bye. Thanks for keeping my paints properly mixed, Gabe. So many good memories in this space.
Nail for you!
Oh, you can throw that in the garbage.
What is that? Yeah! Daddy, look at it!
Bye, studio. You've been awesome. It's kind of sad, but kind of sweet, because the future's bright, right, babe? We are driving up to Merritt. Just me and the boys, so Mike can take the second car. But we should be okay, right? You're gonna help me?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Time to drive into the mountains. Hi, welcome to my new aesthetic. Moose art. We moved to Merritt. Well, we're kind of in the middle of moving, really. We are currently living in an Airbnb inside the small town of Merritt. As some people think in the middle of nowhere, I just think it's in the middle of British Columbia, Canada.
You know, a mustache like that.
Larger than life. Smoky. Welcome to my Airbnb. It's not mine, I don't own it, but I'm here for the month of September. Our office space, nothing more. Keys, your wallet, the holy word, getting that work done. We brought our coffee machine from home. Some nice plants. And we brought our own baby gate. Oh, who's home? Daddy. This is our kitchen for the next 4 weeks. Until we get possession of our house October 1st. Yay! We can't wait. Not everyone understands why we would want to move here, but that's okay. Facebook comments were very unhinged. But it's a really sweet little spot. It's got about 1.5 acres, so lots of room for the kiddos. Do you see these flies? Lots of flies. Turns out flies are everywhere, no matter where you move. In our place, it's a cute, medium-sized home, 3 stories. Got lots of yard. Yard needs lots of work, and we're very excited because we'll be building, hopefully, my dream studio. Hopefully it's a dream. We'll see if it's a nightmare. It'll be the first time building a studio, and so many other fun projects we have in mind for that place. Renovating the house. I got so many dreams. I've been a renter my whole life, so I've been very limited in the spaces that I've lived in, and I've never had the freedom or autonomy just to make a space feel like ours. So very excited to take you guys all along for the ride, waiting for that. And yeah, there might be goats, I don't know. So our first week in Merritt, we landed right during the peak of the year, the Nicola Pro Rodeo, I believe it's called. These flies are gonna I need a fly swatter while I chat.
Oh, Canada, we stand under before thee.
Our 4-year-old son was so pumped. He still asks to go to the rodeo every day, and he has been doing his own rodeos for us inside the house every single day, and it's been great. A little loud at times, but anyways, we joke that Wilbur was ready to go to Merritt before we ever were, because since the age of 2, he's been obsessed with cowboys and wears cowboy hats almost daily. So he's fitting right in. He's loving it. We moved in town in September so that he could join kindergarten and make some new friends. Here we go. You met a boy named Jack.
No, he wanted to say, come and get me.
Yeah, it's Tag.
No, it's not Tag.
It's like Tag.
It's called come and get me.
Me and Mike have been making new friends. I feel like I'm speed dating all these parents. And people are so warm and receptive here. Like if you're just open and attentional, people usually reciprocate that. So that's been really cool and kind of different from coming from the big city. I mean, this town is small. It's just over 7,000 people. We've met so many people here that have left and they just keep coming back. I don't know what it is. It's just home. So freaking cute, your house. How big he is. He could be on a Crest commercial. His teeth are so nice. I've heard so many amazing stories from people who've grown up here and have loved it. Small town community, the nature off the chain. All around us are hikes, rivers, lakes. Auntie Snuggles. Super pregnant creature. It doesn't stop. You got skating, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing in the winter. You got fishing, hunting, hiking, swimming, all this stuff in the summer.
What is up there?
That's where they have all the mountain biking.
the list goes on. So many fun things. And for our family, we're quite adventurous, outdoorsy, and as our kids getting older, we're only planning more intense adventures. We don't know where we're going. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous.
Look at this.
Wow.
This is where you want to be.
So we think it's gonna be a really good fit for our family, but that's going to be discovered as we take you along for the ride.
We get to see a beautiful thing all the way home.
And who knows, if I start making country music, do not be surprised. There's a lot of unknowns. We're kind of stuck in this little limbo moment here for September, but once October comes, it's game on. We're gonna be getting into our first home, and it's very exciting. So in the meantime, me and my friend, the Moose, will be hanging out here.
That's where he got shot, so.
Wow, we have really nice friends. Moral of the story, don't get on Hannah's bad side. Mike has entered the chat. Come here. You're part of my life too. Come take a seat. We gotta share this. Gotta share this with Mike. How you been?
Good.
Mike, we're gonna do it, right?
We're having another baby?
No! Oh my gosh. I genuinely was terrified.
What are we doing?
We're moving.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Forgot about that.
Please, not a baby right now.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be.
Probably
This
not
man
the
behind the scenes, he's doing it all. Home insurance,
Yeah.
getting the Wi-Fi routers,
Yeah.
getting the fumigation.
Yeah, that's right. I do all the painting, too.
He's a hero. Yeah, he's a ghost painter.
Yeah, I'm on contract.
Okay, you're free to go.
Can I go?
You can go now. I love you. It's a mystery why he doesn't come on the camera more often. Anyways, watch me transform into a true Canadian. First off-roading in the Subaru. Woo!
Oh, look at that. Just making it look
Clears
easy.
it. What a baddie. She's no longer gonna be a softie on the West Coast. She's gonna be as rough and rugged as a specimen right up here. I'm getting my hunting license, right?
That's right.
It's going down.